It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style a kinky curly headband wig. Okay, so I got this 20-inch kinky curly hair from Recool. This is how it looks. It's quite long. It looks really uniform. Sorry, I'm being washed up. It looks really uniform right now. I'm gonna wash it and yeah, come back and show you guys what it looks like. Oh. Okay, so let's push this back a little bit. Yeah, so I've just put my hair in a low bun. It's a very puffy bun, but it's a curly wig, so it should be fine. I've just put the wig cap on, and I'm gonna pop this on now. So this is it. You can see it's looking very thin. I'm definitely gonna have to cut this, do something with it, but yeah, I have washed it and I'm just gonna put it on. It has the strap, which is just a Velcro. I'm just gonna pop it on and start to play with it. I'm gonna brush it through with this tangle teaser. Oh, because I'm not feeling how just uniform it is. It's way too uniform for me. I'm just gonna brush it out. So I've literally just brushed it out. Considering that it's curly, I haven't lost like that much hair. Considering that, I mean, I should have probably brushed it when it was still damp, but it's wet and this is all that came out, which I think is not that bad for a kinky curly texture. But I'm gonna spray it down because it's just looking a little bit, my forehead is fiving today. So this is just literally water. It's in a different bottle, but it's literally water. So I'm just gonna spray it down a little bit and then I'm gonna brush it through again. And yeah, let me just, so when I brush it through, yo, look at this when I brush it. So I'm just using a tangle teaser. I'm not actually sure what the name of this one is, but it's the purple one. I initially bought this to do my hair, this tangle teaser, but I don't actually like how it deals with my hair. I prefer the pink one for my actual hair. So yeah, this is what we're working with here. I quite like these curls actually. I really like these. So I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but this is once I've wet it down and brushed it. Look at these, get into these curls, guys. This is literally just water and the tangle teaser. Let me just brush this for you again. Like, look at that. How gorgy. So this is both sides done. So this is it at the back. To show you, it is 20 inches, which I think this is pretty long for 20-inch kinky curly hair. Okay, so this is the finished product, the finished result of the hair. I'm gonna do a few styles actually. So yeah, this is what the hair is saying. Oh my gosh, get into these curls. Get into these curls. I'm literally obsessed with this hair. It's the best curly texture hair I've ever ordered. I'm gonna leave the link and everything in the description down below. So currently I've just got it in a half up, half down situation, and literally this is a 5 or less 2-minute hairstyle. Literally throw this on, you can be out the door. So I've just thrown on the leopard print headband that came with the wig, and guys, it's cute. It's so cute. Yeah, this is actually the wig. I've just left the little wispy out just so that it looks like it's my wispy. You can do the same on the other side. How cute. So let's have this coming down from out here. So there we go. This is the wig. I've just literally taken a small piece out and then tucked that back in. So that's what it's looking like. This is a very throw on, easy 2-minute hairstyle. Love it. Let's get this off. This is just, yeah, there we go. So taking the hairband off, and I just use a satin scrunchie, and yeah, the hair is back as it was before. Love this. I literally love this hair. Guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna leave the specs for this hair and the link to where you can get it down in the description box below. Guys, you have to get your hands on this hair. It is so soft, so gorgeous, and it's so simple. Okay, so get your hands on this hair if you can. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned to my channel for more content. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.